Yo guys, what is up? So it looks like we have another update for Blender Octane. We are now in 26.431.10. This one does work with Blender 5.2. So let's quickly look at some of the changes here. If we jump over here to the computer, 5.2 is basically well, add-on. The add-on is compatible with Blender 5.2. Previous versions, Blender 5.0 and 4.2 are not supported for this version. So you will need to download the 5.2 LTS version, or not necessarily LTS, but I'm going to download the LTS version here and go ahead and get that installed. After that, what do we have here? Some new update changes, updates to 26.4, integrated Blender 2.2 or Blender 5.20. Bake all vertex group weights automatically skips mesh whose weights may be animated. Skipped object instance walk on pure shading viewport edits. Some of the fixes since the last release were fix the sync bugs with a material root node change, fix universal camera, focal issue change being ignored on Mac OS. Yes, one of my members in my community did have this problem. She reported it, so I'm so happy she did because it did get fixed. I tried to reproduce it and it was working perfectly on PC and it was only a Mac issue. So that's the importance, guys, of trying to report issues because that helps the developers to fix things. A lot of people just want to complain about things, but then they don't want to report it. Well, if you don't report it, it can't get fixed. They don't know what's wrong. So this is a prime example. She saw the issue. She asked me and I'm like, hey, did you report it? She's like, I already reported it. Boom, it got fixed. Next one, invalid slider settings for nodes with unbound value ranges. Fix zip packaging and installer issues. Fix dragged an image into the world shader, creates a cycles node. Oh, that used to actually happen to me sometimes, but then I would just do it manually through Shift A. Convert world environment textures to an Octane RGB image. Add convert image nodes to quick swap menus for converting Octane image node types quickly. Fix convert material bug. Fix image path update bug. Fix post scene update slowdown issues, and then minor bug fixes. If you guys are interested in what is some of the new features in Octane 26.4, you can go ahead and click a link down here and you can take a look at that. Again, to download this, all you're going to need to do is download the Blender add-on, which is going to be right here. It's available for Studio and Prime. It's the same one. But then you do need to make sure you always update your servers. Again, if you're on Octane, if you're an Octane Studio version, here's your Studio servers. Here is the Prime, which is the free tier. You can download that Windows, Linux, Mac. And then you need your server also. So make sure you download your server. So there is an installer for the server now, and then there is a zip. I just typically use a zip because I'm old school and that's what I've always used. And I have them all in my nice little folder, all nice and neat. Also, here, when you're starting, start with the default scene, go to File, New, Octane Render Setup, Direct Lighting, or File, New, Octane Setup, Path Tracing. I'm going to make another video quickly showing you how to install this. So if anybody's watching this and they're new to that, and you'll basically see me run through that same process there. So hope this helps you guys out. Quick update on Blender. So enjoy, keep rendering, catch you in the next one. Peace. Gotta finish grinding my coffee.